Title 7, Barter or Exchange, 1638. By the contract of barter or exchange, one of the parties binds himself to give one thing in consideration of the other's promise to give another thing. 1639. If one of the contracting parties, having received the thing promised him in barter, should prove that it did not belong to the person who gave it, he cannot be compelled to deliver that which he offered in exchange, but he shall be entitled to damages. 1640. One who loses by eviction the thing received in barter may recover that which he gave in exchange with the right to damages, or he may only demand an indemnity for damages. However, he can only make use of the right to recover the thing which he has delivered while the same remains in the possession of the other party, and without prejudice to the rights acquired in good faith in the meantime by a third person. 1641. As to all matters not specifically provided for in this title, barter shall be governed by the provisions of the preceding title relating to sales.